Out to Clearwater Beach. Ooh, if you can stand it, it is one of the better places to be as the Tampa Bay area marks near record hot temperatures today. Chief Meteorologist Bobby Deskins joins us now. That sand burns up your feet.
Yeah, it does.
So bad.
Well, you know, look, we finally got some storms to help us cool off a little bit. We had a sea breeze today, which is something we did not get yesterday. We were trying. We got a little bit of a westerly wind in there, and then it turned back to the north and northeast, and that sent the mercury up above 99. Well, it sent it to 100, and I'm still upset about it. Let's take you live outside right now. This is the actual weather impact alert that we have for tomorrow. We're still under one now. These are covering basically the heat advisory that's in effect now through 7 p.m. We'll get it again tomorrow. One more day of 108 plus for those feels like temperatures, okay? They are coming up. Now, 102 is what it feels is the actual air temperature home of Sassa. Some of these numbers are legit, some are kind of close, but you can see we're generally in the mid to upper 90s, close to 100 frostproof right now, 97 in Winter Haven, but much cooler, obviously rain-cooled air down here by the coast where we had some showers and storms. Look at these feels like temperatures. 115 in frostproof, 90 in Lakewood Ranch because of the storm that's been nearby. This is the advisory for now. This is for tomorrow. Basically, it'll feel about 108 to 112 for most of us. This could be 114, 115. And we've seen some of that in many parts of the area already. And we're not the only ones. Look at North Florida. All of that for an extreme heat watch for tomorrow. And then if you look at the southeast, and in fact, the eastern United States, all of these are heat related watches and warnings. They go all the way up, almost up that I-95 corridor. Maryland doesn't have any right there. But you can see for us, tomorrow's the last day of the really hot stuff. I mean, it doesn't cool that much. Don't get me wrong, right? But it does cool a little bit. It gets us below that 108 number, which is when we get those heat advisories. Now, let's talk rain. So here are the showers and storms. They're tending to fall apart now. We didn't get a whole lot. We're not expecting a whole lot. We still have one over here near Carrollwood, but you can see what came through earlier, and that's what cooled us off. Notice what's happening here. This is the sea breeze working its way inland. That didn't happen yesterday. The temperature sensor's right there, and the air didn't move in like it normally does. The reason why we've never hit 100 until yesterday is because this water. As soon as it would get hot enough, the wind would come in off of that water and cool it off. The wind was out of the north and northeast yesterday. That hugged that warm air. In fact, comes right across the hot part of the airport. The tarmac, the airport itself, the parking garage, that hot air gets blown right at that sensor. That's what happened. Those lines now will have to watch for storms. Look what happened here on the I-75 corridor, Palmetto, Ruskin down the Parish, Terracea, Bradenton. That is a ton of lightning right now. There will be a lot of water on the road, especially I-75. If you can avoid that for now, give it about 30 to 45 minutes before you even get on the road to head there. This will fall apart, and it's obviously cooling us off, but it's quite a bit of rain even south and east of it. See how this line works its way inland? We get some storms to pop up. Nothing is expected to be severe for these. This one we'll have to watch. We could see winds about 50 miles per hour out of that, and that's what we're seeing actually right now. Other than that, there's not a lot of rain. We will see some scattered showers through about 7:30 to 8 o'clock tonight. The high, the heat dome, is sliding a little bit to the east, and that's the reason, or to the west, excuse me. That's the reason why we are starting to cool things down slowly over the next couple of days. Here's the forecast for tonight. 7:30, still some storms down in southern Sarasota, but everybody else is dry. Tomorrow, sunny, hot, humid. That's 1 o'clock, showers and storms. A little bit better coverage tomorrow, so the heat that we see tomorrow will be the first half of the day, especially 12, 1, 2 o'clock. Because just after that, we'll start to see the showers and storms cool us off just a little bit, and boy, oh boy, do we need that. So for the rest of the evening, weather impact until 7 to cover the heat. It's still warm. It's still muggy. If you haven't been in the AC in the last several days, heat warnings, heat illnesses are cumulative on your body. Even if the cooling center opens up at 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock tonight, get in some of that air conditioning to cool your body down. Give your body a little bit of a break. Tomorrow, we'll go one more day of our weather impact alert, 11 to 7, of course, to cover for that heat advisory. And then the 7-day forecast. Notice rain chances aren't too high. We're actually going to have a west to southwest wind. So we'll have a few showers and storms around midday each day through Friday, and then everything works its way inland. Even the weekend looks that. So 30 to 40% chance of storms midday. Late afternoon, we'll push all the rain inland east of I-75. All right.